Well, good afternoon. Again, we have seen clouds sweep through the Grand Forks area, and now we've got beautiful blue sky, allowing that winter sunshine to start warming us up. We've been losing a little bit of our snow, especially on the asphalt on roads and parking lots. A lot of the snow has melted. That works to help to absorb more of the sun's energy, and more temperature rises going on here today in places like Grand Forks. So I want to talk about our chances of seeing another record temperature for a high. Here's a look at our highs for today and our forecast for today as well. So for Fargo, I'm not sure we'll get there. We'll see. We could see a surge, but I'm not sure we'll get to 52. That's our record for this date. We are forecasting 45 degrees here, but Grand Forks, again, an area where we have our records in the 40s, both Grand Forks at the airport and National Weather Service, and our forecast high very close, might tie or even surpass it if we see a little bit boost in our warmth here for this afternoon. And Park Rapids and Baudette, two areas that set records yesterday, close to the records, but probably a little bit lower with some more cloud cover in that area. Here's a look at our current temperatures. 40 right now in Grand Forks. Remember, our record there is in that low 43, 44 degree range. Fargo's at 41. We are looking at a toasty 44 in Jamestown. That's one of our warmest spots, and Sisseton is the warmest spot at 45. Over to the east, where we've had a few more clouds, temperatures there more into the 30s right now, but above freezing into northwest Minnesota. And looking at our wind, it's brisk. We've got some winds gusting into the 20s, some 30s in Sisseton, a gust to 32 miles per hour. Notice that direction change with the wave, that weak wave that's moving through. So we're looking at our wind out of the northwest, and it will be blustery continuing into the afternoon hours and into this evening. So a couple of things to note here. Again, we've got two layers here. We've got the satellite and the radar. Radar showing a few areas of green, indicating some moisture detected, at least in the clouds on the map here, and that's moving with that initial line. And then, of course, the black and white colors here, that's the satellite, the visible satellite on the black and white channel. So the darker it is, the more likely we're seeing ground and seeing no snowpack. Where we see gray or white, there's a difference between what's moving here, that's cloud cover moving through, and then areas where it's not moving at all, like in the Devil's Lake area, that's where the satellite's seeing the snowpack. And you can see it's still there in Devil's Lake area, over the Red Lake, upper and lower Red Lake there. But we're seeing a lot of places where that snowpack is really diminishing with the warmer temperatures. So that's something I'm going to be watching in the coming days if we can get some more clear skies. There are areas of clouds, though, to the north of us, up toward Winnipeg, and this is all dropping southward into Minnesota. And this is going to be creating more gray conditions as we head into a later afternoon and into tonight in this area. So not as sunny in this area heading into this afternoon, especially in the northwest. But we do get a little sunshine right now, and we'll continue to see temperatures that are above the freezing mark. Again, some mid to upper 30s there. More of us into the low to some mid 40s in parts of the south and west. The breeze continues out of the northwest today, and then you see those clouds taking over more. And there is a potential, I can't rule out a flake or even a little bit of freezing drizzle into tomorrow morning to start off the day in some of our eastern counties, but should not be significant. Heading into the extended planner tomorrow with a high of 38, that's the coolest day in the forecast this work week, and that's still almost 20 degrees above average. Wednesday may be one of our warmest days, and then heading into the end of the week, more 30s, more low 40s. Saturday we'll have to watch out for maybe a little rain trying to sneak in, but right now not certain on that one. Our forecast model's not quite in agreement, but what they are agreeing on is the warmth. That's definitely here.
Which is beautiful. I know we said earlier it's kind of like a roller coaster with warmer temps. I'm just not ready for the drop. The drop where we're all screaming on the way down.
Right. Well, we're still climbing, and we're going to stay on that hill for a while here, I think, in the forecast. So that's good, is that it's not just a one-day warm-up.
Yeah.
Of course, not so great. I do want to, of course, acknowledge all of our winter weather lovers who want to get out and enjoy snow and go out ice fishing. We're going to have to keep a very close eye on the lakes with the melting that's happening.
Absolutely. Thank you, Lisa.